Welcome to Kids Art with Lucca, the place to find fun kids art. Today's project is a really vibrant acrylic scrape. So the materials we need today to get started on our project are big paper. I have white paper here because it shows the paint better. And acrylic paints in bright, vibrant colors. You can choose any color you like. I have yellow and red and green, and I put the blue out just in case I might put a little highlight at the end. Water in case you need to clear off your painting implements, and today we're using something really different. We're using expired, used up gift cards, and I'm sure you have some of those around your house. I'm going to start with yellow. And I'm going to squirt it right onto the plate. You can use paper plates if you don't have plates that you can wash easily and use just for art. I'm going to spread it out just a little. But I want it thick because I'm going to dip that card right in it. And I'm going to go sideways. I'm going to drag the card this way around. So I want this edge coated. And it doesn't really matter if you get too much paint because you can re-spread it. So you don't really need to test your paper. Okay, I'm going to start here and I'm going to go dragging across. See what it does? And I have a little bit left, so I'm going to try and go a different direction with it. See how you can go and pick it up again if it gets too thin or too thick. You can spread it again. Okay, maybe one more. Two. All right, now I'm going to add red and see what will happen to that color. Some of it will be mixed, so the color will change in variation. Okay, I'm going to try the red one. I have another card, but if you don't have more than one card, you can just dip it right in the next paint or wipe it off with a paper towel. All right, I'm going to drag through the last one at a different angle. I kind of like these stripes that are showing up. That's the fun part about art. Things happen that you're not expecting. Okay, and I broke my own rule and didn't go to the edge of the paper. Usually you want to go all the way to the edge of the paper. The next one I'll make sure I do. Now I'm going to use a lighter green. See, we got a little bit of almost orange there, where the red crossed the yellow. And I'm going to dip it in the edge. That's about right. Let me try this edge over here that I haven't crossed. Oops. For some reason it's buckling down here. Let me pull it across. There. All right. I'll do that one more time. Up here on this edge. Ooh, I like what that did. See what happened? Pulled part of the red through with it. I'm going to continue that line if I need a little more paint. Okay. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of dark green, see what happens. Put it on the same palette as the light green. And I think I'll just use the same card. Might make it interesting if they blend. As long as I get enough of the dark. Hopefully. If not, I'll use another card. And cross it this way. Ooh! Ha! Kind of drip through there. Do you see the two colors of green right here? And when it drags sideways and makes stripes, when you're pulling it, it makes it even a little more interesting. Yeah, I like that. Now, I think I do want to add a little touch of blue and see what will happen to that. So I'm going to put the blue on the edge of this one over here where there's a little bit of room. These are all acrylic paints, by the way. You can use tempera, but it won't be as distinct. It won't have as sharp an edge as if you use acrylics. These are washable acrylics, so if you get them around on things around the house, it won't matter so much. Where should I put my blue? I think I'll go right here. Yeah, I need a little more blue. Add a little more in. All right. I think I wish I had a little more white showing through where my blue would show. But maybe if I put it down here where the whites are, that helps. One more swipe, I think. I'll go this way. What do you think? Bah, I said one more, but I think I need one more here. All right, let's see. Go right through here. I like the swirls. All right. And if you want to reuse your cards, you can just soak them in the water. So when you're done, you can just throw them all in. And then you'll be able to reuse them. There we go. All right. There it is. I'd love to see what you did. If you'd like to share your project, use the hashtag #WithLucca.